Hi there. Happy New Year, Philip. Good job. And then the second load, just put it around the corner. Move that rain thing there a little bit. Just stack it up right there. That way we have easy access. Thank you. We're getting ready for a big winter storm. It's gonna drop like -11 Fahrenheit. I don't know, something like that. It's gonna be crazy cold. So we need to get the firewood close to the shop so we can stay warm up here. 2022, first day of the year. Happy New Year. Hope you guys have a great year and hope that all your plans or whatever you have planned for 2022 will come through. In the meantime, we're going to push forward with our company. We have several challenges to overcome. We have a lumber problem, lumber shortage. Lowe's is being dumb with our business relationship. They discontinued our discount. And so I have to find, or I already found a new lumber source. We're getting that set up. We're going to switch or ease into selling more maple signs, maple hardwood. And yeah, and various other problems or problems. There's always problems to be solved. But yeah, in the meantime, this is what's on the agenda today. From yesterday, this needs to be sanded. Right now I'm putting peck holes in for the running signs, and then we'll have to sand all these and put stain on there, and then sealer polyurethane will be tomorrow. I'm trying to work maybe half a day today. So that's what's on the agenda. Man, it's roaring. Brr, it's cold in here. All right, got the fire going. Today is Tuesday. Yesterday we did shipping. Monday we shipped out about 75 signs. I did not do much filming because I got hurt. Table saw kicked back a piece of lumber, a piece of a board, and hit me right here. So it's a little bruised up, no big deal, but I didn't feel like filming. Okay, so today we have to continue carving, or going back to carving. We have two leftovers from yesterday's ship day. This one has a crack right here. You can see this has to be completely remade. This is definitely not up to our standards. And I'm gonna cover the name just, but this is a World War II and Korean War veteran. I believe this gentleman is 94 years old from the customer, and we have a crack right here. And on our military signs, and especially World War II veterans, these guys deserve the best of the best. So unfortunately, we're a little bit on a time crunch on this one. The customer wants it right away, but again, we gotta make sure that we deliver quality, and this is not what we consider top notch. If it's not 100%, if it's not, I'll say 95. It's really hard on woodworking to hit 99, 98%, because if you work with steel, a little more consistent. Wood is just, especially pine, it's just all over the place, cracks and knots and, cups and twists, you name it, pine will deliver anytime, every time. So, long story longer, we'll remake this sign, we remake this sign, and we have about 35 signs on the list that also need to be carved that will go out on Friday. So we have a couple days to make about 35, maybe 40 signs, I'm not sure, but yeah, so let's get to it. Okay, I now filmed this segment about 3 times by now, so I keep it very short. Goals for 2022, goals for this company, Custom Wood Design LLC, and goals for this channel, and maybe my personal goals. Did some thinking over the Christmas time. We got really busy. We processed about 1,300 signs in 6 weeks. That's absolutely like all-time record for us. But I wanted to kind of see where we're going with that. What should I do? What do I want to do? And so I decided that despite all the insecurity, knowing that if I give you guys a behind-the-scenes look at my company, that my competitors also will sneak in and also see exactly how I make my signs. But I was like, you know what? Screw it. Because all my competitors are very reserved. There's nothing out there. My 3 or 4 competitors on Etsy, you can't find anything. Nothing. No YouTube video, no Instagram post behind the scenes, nothing. So, I'm very secure in my ability to keep my business running. I've been doing this for 7 years now. We have very satisfied customers. The quality and the craftsmanship that I put out in combination with my wife's customer service and design skills makes us a very powerful team. And so I was like, heck, why not? Let's just put it out there. And if someone wants to copy us, so be it, right? But in terms of the learning and what YouTube is all about, people are always sharing their videos and tell you how to do this and how to do that. And, I figure I keep releasing content, not on a daily basis, but maybe every couple of days. And as problems in my business occur and I address those problems and solve and overcome these problems, I share it with the camera, and you guys can learn from that. And trust me, there are plenty of problems to be solved. When you run a small business, or I'm sure when you run a big business, it's everywhere. It's there's an endless amount of problems to be solved.